Hello again and welcome back to the channel. This is Michael from TOEFLResources.com. In today's video, I'm going to share with you another TOEFL integrated writing question. I'll start by giving you the complete question, including a reading and a lecture. I'll share my sample essay based on the question, and if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll tell you how I can give you some free feedback about your own writing. So in just a moment, I'm going to share the reading. That means you should probably pause the video, grab some paper and a pencil to take notes. When I show the reading, you'll have 3 minutes to read it and take your notes. Here goes. All right, that's the reading. You've got 3 minutes starting now. All right, now I'm going to read the lecture. Again, you should probably take some notes as I speak. Here goes. While the methods outlined for protecting peregrine falcon populations are well-intentioned, they may not always be effective. Here are 3 potential challenges to the usefulness of these methods. First, while protecting nesting sites is crucial, it can be difficult to identify and secure these sites. In some cases, the nesting sites may be located on private property, which can make it difficult to gain access and implement protective measures. Additionally, peregrine falcons are known to nest in urban areas, which can make it challenging to balance their needs with the needs of humans. As a result, protecting nesting sites may not always be the best approach. Next, there could be unintended consequences of controlling their predators. Controlling one species of predator may lead to an unpredicted increase in the population of some other animal, which may also prey on peregrine falcons. That means our action could end up hurting the falcons even more. This can make it difficult to predict and control the overall impact of this measure. Lastly, rehabilitating injured or sick peregrine falcons can help individual birds, but it may not have a significant impact in the long run. This is because it's an expensive and time-consuming process to help even just a small number of birds. Not only that, but other factors such as habitat loss or pollution may have a greater impact on the populations than injuries. As a result, rehabilitating injured falcons may not be very useful overall. All right, on the screen now is the question you would be asked. Summarize the points made in the lecture, being sure to explain how they cast doubt on the solutions presented in the reading passage. You have 20 minutes to write your essay. You may refer to the reading as you write. All right, you should probably pause the video as you write the essay because in just a moment, I'm going to show you my sample essay. All right, here's my sample essay. Again, you can pause the video if you want to read it, but basically I've got 4 paragraphs. I start with a quick introduction, which summarizes what it's about, which is protecting peregrine falcon populations. And then I state broadly the author's main point and then the lecturer's main point, which is simply a counterpoint. Then I've got 1 body paragraph for each of the 3 point-counterpoint combinations. 1 body paragraph about protecting nesting areas, another body paragraph about controlling predators, and then a final body paragraph about helping the injured or sick falcons. In each of the body paragraphs, I start by summarizing the reading, and then I summarize the lecture. I'm a little bit heavier on the lecture summary, I think, overall. That probably accounts for a few more words than the reading summary. In terms of words, I think it's about 290 overall, which is a pretty good length if you're shooting for a fairly high score. And that's about it. If you have any questions about what I've done here, you can leave a comment down below. You can find me online at TOEFLResources.com. That has guides to every section of the test and details about how you can hire me to help you prepare for the TOEFL. Now, if you do want some free help, what you can do is you can leave your practice essay about this question in the comments down below. Subscribe to the channel, maybe like the video to help me out, and I will give you some feedback about your essay. I'll estimate the score, and I'll tell you what you should do differently to get a higher score next time you write an essay. All right, I'll leave it at that. But as always, thanks for following the channel. Come back next week when I should have another new video.